fish on, dude. We're on the board. Look, you fucking snagged him. Oh no, that was in his face too. Holy shit. I got one right there. I don't know what to do with it though. Holy cow. Okay, he wasn't going anywhere. Got him? Get your camera out. I got my camera here. I don't care if he dies either, so fuck him. Fuck you. 30? Yeah, easy 30. Double. Nice fish. Oh, you beat me. I snagged mine, dude.
I got mine went in the lip.
I got mine right in the ass.
This is the keeper.
Saved the worm though.
Nice. So that is a yes for this spot. Say.
Alrighty. He's close, but I don't think that's close enough. He's pretty much just that, right? He's not.
No.
Nice fish, dude.
Thanks.
Lake of the Woods, Canada, Garden Island.
2 more in the way.
Well, I think I'm just going to turn around and throw that right there. Two down, 2 to go. We'll be back soon after this commercial break. Hello there, I'm Tony Jones, professional fisherman and birdwatching enthusiast. Are you fed up with coming home after a long day on the lake, not catching any fish? Kind of distraught over your bag limit being shy of a limit? I have the answer for you. Try live bait. Brand new on the market today. Check out the results. Yeah, that just happened. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to contact me or my trusted associate Johnnybuckbrush on Facebook or your nearest Target location. Thank you.
Should have set up a delivery confidential.
Johnnybuckbrush.
Live bait!
Live bait! Woo! Catch more fish!
Catch more fish.
Have more fun!
Have more fun.
Live bait!
Live bait. Get it in all stores.
Check us out on the web, and you can have results like this.
Oh goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, look at this. Look at, live bait works. Look at that live bait. Catching all the fish.
Hi, I'm Tony Jones. You ever go out on a fishing trip with fake bait? Don't catch anything. Discouraged. I understand. I've been there before. Try live bait! Okay, and we're back. Johnnybuckbrush. Just put fish number 3 in the box. Looking for a vinyl. Number 4. Been Been here for about 10 minutes. Oh, gotta turn this. Hold on. I'm not watching you, I don't think. There, now we are. Be real sweet if I pick that fourth one up right about now.
Leave the stringer next to you.
That was a bad move.
Yeah, that spot is awesome.
Right about back here. See if we can help our teammates out here. Little tiny, one of those weird bass.
Rock bass. Rock bass,
Sauger bass. What is that? Anyway, not a walleye, that's what that is.
Yeah, it's not a keeper.
That's a big perch.
Is it bigger than my walleye? Check it.
Huh?
Where'd you keep it? Wow,
They're really close.
I think you should keep that.
Johnnybuckbrush here just declared he would eat the shit out of a perch. We're gonna hold him to that, folks.
Oh man.
Be right back with more after a word from our sponsors. Hi, I'm Tony Jones. Tony Jones Outdoors. Are you sick of getting your hands all slimy with fish slime? Smelling like stinky fish all day long? But still want the action? Try snags. Twice the fight of any normal fish. No stinky mess.
Oh, caught our fourth fish right off the northwest point of Gardner Island. We're gonna go in and eat and come back muskie fishing.
Nice fish! Woo! Woo! But he gave up kind of quick, didn't he?
Yeah. He wore out really fast.
Johnnybuckbrush is another monster fish. Hey!
That's awesome.
Jesus. In the water? In the water. That was not live bait, folks. Only fish able to be caught without live bait. Slimy high five. Right. You look close. That's what they're there for. Okay. Well, now I got an hour. Yeah. Jesus. There it is, folks. Tony's Guide Service. Come to Canada. I'll drive around. You catch the fish. Same goddamn pike. I think this is bigger. Oh my god. Of course it is. Of course it is. Don't let him fight. That's that thunder.
You gotta be kidding me. 1 minute later.
Oh, literally. I just shut the video camera off. Didn't even put my camera away. Well, I did, but I shouldn't have. Buckbrush still had a lure in the water. God, dude. We don't have a tape measure? Video. Okay. Well, we should have a couple second video with mine. Okay, now we're going to auto. Just relax. Breathe, Buckbrush.
Cut a rope?
Can we slam them?
Spilly pop.
It's very highly technical measuring device. Slamming the side of the boat. He's just gonna go for it, isn't he? Boom! I got that on video. Oh my god.
Oh.
Seriously.
Slimy high five.
Slimy high five. Oh, gross. And we're back. Your guide, Tony Jones. Fat Tony's Guide Service. Johnnybuckbrush lands another, I don't know, hell, we'll just call it 38. Maybe it was a 40-inch northern pike. Again, come on up. I'll drive around. You catch a fish.